Hi YouTube, sorry it's been so long. We've had quite a bit going on in our private lives. We've started doing a market. I've expanded what we're doing an awful lot in the business. As you can see, this one, I don't know if you can read it from there, it says DC Woodworking. It's now actually we've changed the business name to Kilted Crafts, as you've probably seen by the rebranding of the channel and everything. We've also had an awful lot going on privately. My wife's had several miscarriages. Most recently we lost twins back in March, and so it's been a pretty tough time lately. That's why there hasn't been too much going on social media wise. However, the good news is she, get that right, is currently 17 weeks pregnant. So around about April-ish, we should be hopefully welcoming a new member of the family. This is the first time any of the pregnancies have actually had a functioning heartbeat. We had a scan a little while ago to see what was going on, and he or she was sitting in there slumped over the placenta upside down, and then sort of did a stretch out and relaxed again. So hopefully we're in for a bit more of a chilled kid, which would be really nice. Yes, as I say, it's been quite busy and everything's been going crazy. However, work-wise, I've got a lathe, I've got a woodworking lathe, and we've been making pens. Getting pen kits, making pens, selling them. We've got several different lines, different prices. Please feel free to go and check on either the website or the Etsy store, and then have a look at those. They come in a selection of nibs. We use Bock nibs, and yeah, they're really nice. There's fountain pens. Sorry, it's been a while since I've done this. There's fountain pens as well as ballpoints, roller balls. They come in a variety of woods. We're working on getting more resins in, and at the moment, also starting to get into the restoration of vintage fountain pens. Do not know if you can see that at all there. This is a Waterman's 877, otherwise known as a Taperite Citation, I believe. Just got that out of the nib of the body. There's a nice cap. This was made around about 1948, 49, I think. Lever filler. Yeah, so we're sort of getting into all of this and getting all that sorted, spreading out different bits and pieces. Got some more leather work available on the store. Yeah, I've been trying to hold back on making the pen making videos and the turning videos, because I wanted to actually let you know that I've got a lathe. So yeah, that's about it at the moment. Hope that's okay for an update. If there's any more to come, then that's brilliant. As always, if you want to do a sticker swap or anything, then PM me, get in touch, and we can swap details. And thank you for being patient, and to those that have stayed with the channel, thank you very, very much for doing so. Hopefully now we'll be able to grow the channel a bit more, and yeah, start bringing in some proper content if possible. Any suggestions and ideas, always welcome. And thanks very much, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye bye.